Hi, I'm Steve Woodruff, and I sell geode and geode accessories. Today I'm with John Martin. We're going to break Tiny Home, fabulous Cocoa Geode site find. When we say tiny home, that was the cut on the property. We're from the great state of Missouri. We're in the northeast corner. This geode had a lot of fractures in it, so we stabilized it again. Soft top. Bad signs roll pretty quick. Got, and this is from a tiny home cut. Oh, there's calcites. We're gonna rinse that off though. Just keep filming, don't stop. Don't stop.
Putting the water right inside.
Yep. Oh, go ahead and set it over there. That's what was rattling. You can actually see this one has lots of dings and chips on that.